Hi, welcome back to my channel. So glad to see you here today. In today's video, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, I want to show you the winter box for Women's Collective Box. This box is already sold out, but the spring box is already ready for pre-order. The subscription box is $54.95 plus shipping for every quarter. If you buy the annual subscriptions, it is $199.80 plus shipping for the whole year. It is a really good subscription box. It's already been a year. I've had it since it started, since the first box, and I really do like it. It is a box all curated by women-owned businesses, by women-owned small businesses actually, and I just love the subscription box very much, and I'm always excited to share with you. So let's start. Like other units, other products are well thought of, and they're usually good things that are good for the environment, things that are practical, and I've always enjoyed their items. Every box has a different design, and you can see it's done by a different artist, and so it's really nice. Let's open it up. I haven't opened it. I haven't seen what's inside, so for me it's a surprise as it is for you. I mean, I have seen some spoilers, but not many. I do have an affiliate code because I'm one of their ambassadors, so I do have a discount for you guys. I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested. The discount is for the first quarterly subscription. If you want to get the annual subscription, you won't be able to use the code, but you could use it for the quarterly box. So let's start. Now this is what it looks like inside. Everything's all wrapped in nice. I love their boxes, are always so pretty, and it is made of cardboard, which is nice. And there comes with a couple of cards, or a card, and it comes with a little brochure that gives you the description of the items and their retail value. Let me check, because one of the first boxes didn't have the retail value, but then she started adding them, so it's really nice. It does come wrapped in a sticker, so let's open it up. First, let me look at the card. It says celebrate women every day, and I do collect them. I put them all up there. You can't tell, but I have them up there in my bookcase. I collect them because I like to. So it says Women's Collective, join the sisterhood, and it gives you the Instagram handle. Now in the book, it does give you information about every item and information about the editor. So this is like a little picture of her. Her name is Rochelle White Harris. She's really sweet. It does give you a note from her. The light's not letting you see it, but it does give a note from her that I'm not going to read right now. But yeah, let's get on with what you really want to see, what's inside the box. So let's start. I'm going to turn around just a little bit so I'm able to get the items inside the box and show you. Maybe I could put it up here. Let me try to put it up here. Alright, the featured artist is Talisa Almonte. It talks about her. She grew up in Miami and she moved to New York City for college, and now she lives in Queens. So it gives you a little story about the artist. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 6 items. So let's see. First item is from Becalia Botanicals. It's a lip balm and scrub. It always includes a skincare item, which I really like. And by the way, if there's anything here that I personally am not going to keep because it's not good for my complexion or for my skin type or whatever, or it's not really entirely of my liking, or I have too many of that category, I'll probably include it on the giveaway that I have currently on. So check out my previous video. I'm going to put a link at the end, and you'll see I have this really nice giveaway for you guys. So is there anything here that I might not keep, I will put it in the giveaway for you guys. So the lip balm and scrub, I'm assuming no, it's not this. It's like a set. Oh, that's nice. It says it's inspired by heritage, cultivated with love, fueled by passion. It's the Renee Hibiscus Mint and Agave Lip Balm and the Tamara Brown Sugar and Coconut Lip Scrub. It doesn't give me the retail value, which I always appreciate the retail value. She didn't include it this time. I'm not doubting that the retail value of the box is well worth what you paid for, but I still like to know. It says it's a balm and scrub duo, sure to become a go-to skincare item this winter. So this is what it looks like. This is the Hibiscus Mint and Agave Lip Balm. And then this is the Tamara Brown Sugar and Coconut Lip Scrub. So it is a set. Very nice. I do like lip products of this type. So let's open it up to see what it smells like. It smells really good. It smells like gum and sugar. I like it. I'm not gonna touch it right now. I'm gonna put it aside because I am using a lip balm currently, and I wanna finish that one before I even touch this one. And this is the brown sugar and coconut lip scrub, like I said. So I would do, oh yeah, it smells like brown sugar. It smells nice. So I would do the scrub first. maybe once or twice a week. And then I'll use a lip balm on top after I do the scrub. Very nice. I gotta look up the prices online, but the book doesn't give them to you. Next item is the Polished Prints Empowered Women Tote. This I like. I use it like when I go, whenever I go back like grocery shopping. I plan on going to a farmer's market on this Saturday, so I'm gonna use this to take it to the farmer's market. This says empowered women empower the world. Really nice message. It's like a beige color, and the lettering is like a burnt orange red kind of color. Really pretty. Again, no retail value, but it says it's by the company Polished Prints. Leah Longville, she's the founder. Oh, I didn't say the founder of the previous is Jasmine Guerrero. She's a founder of Becalia Botanicals. She is from first generation Mexican American. And then this one's by Leah Longville. She is from, it doesn't say where she's from. Oh, this one does give you the retail value. The bag gives you the retail value, but not the scrub and the lip balm. That's kind of odd. Retail value is $20, which is okay. It's reasonable. 100% in cotton. And it has a zipper closure. Perfect for the grocery store, the farmer's market, or really any day-to-day activity you find yourself a part of. I do plan on going on the farmer's market. If I do get to go, I am going to film, and I'll include it in my next vlog for you guys, because I really enjoy going to farmers markets. I haven't been there in a while, especially since the pandemic started. I haven't been able to go to a farmers market. Alright, next item. Ooh, this is Concrete Days Tulip Vessel. This retail value is $22. The founder of the company is Ali Reed. It's a perfect complete vessel for burning Palo Santo or stage sticks and displaying small plants, or it adds magical whimsy to a tea lights arrangement. The forest green color was created exclusively for the Women's Collective box. So it's like a little pot. You could use it for anything. It says for a plant. For a plant, it's actually a good idea for like a succulent, or maybe like a small cactus. I love the color. I really do love this. It is $22. Not bad, especially if it's a small business. Beautiful. I love it. Love this color. Thank you. That's very nice. Very nice color too. Exclusively made for Women's Collective box. Next item is a little pouch. Very pretty, very cute. I like the handle. This is by their brand E.L.F. It's a Portofino pouch. The founder is Kendall Zundell, and it says retail value is $34. A little bit pricey, but not complaining, because it looks like it's a very good material and a really pretty color. And we're helping a small business, so that's nice. It says it's a classic pouch, effortlessly chic and uniquely playful. It's perfect to use as a catch-all travel bag or simply a clutch for an evening out. This bag makes a great companion to the modern lifestyle. Each one is globally inspired and manually made, making them a perfect gift for yourself or someone else. Really cute. Next item is a jewelry piece. It's from the brand Grace and Flukes, a golden X necklace. The founder is Grace Gerten, and retail value is $50. Enjoy this petite 24-karat gold dipped X necklace. This little X is the perfect bit of shine for your everyday. Layer this with your favorite jewelry pieces or wear it on its own. Oh, it includes a little note. It says, "Hi lovely, enjoy your Women's Collective box. For a little extra shine this holiday season, enjoy 50% off at graceandflux.com. Use the code WCB15. Little note, so you get 50%. And this piece is really, really, I had seen this was one of the spoilers that I had seen on their Instagram page. Look at that, how pretty. It is so simple yet so cute, and I think it's really cute because it's not really like an XX. Is like a little slanted. I know you guys know what I mean, if you understand what I mean, but it's just a really interesting shape. I've never seen something like this. It's 24-karat gold dipped, so that's really nice. $50. I think it's really reasonable, and it's not too long and it's not too short. It was perfect. You could wear it by itself, or you could layer it with other necklaces. And the last item in the box is a Bisbee candles, warm and cozy candle, and the founder is Amy Best, and it says a retail value is $16. It's not a bad price, but it's kind of small, but I'll show it to you now. It says it's made exclusively for the Women's Collective box. This candle has notes of warm vanilla sugar and chai. It is a perfect candle to light while relaxing inside this winter. Well, there's not really winter in South Florida, but I'll still take it. This is what it looks like, the container. Again, I like that color. You see that theme, the same colors everywhere around the box. And it has this design on the top. It says, "Journey with us one fragrance at a time." It's like a little hand. And let me see what it smells like. So it looks like inside. Yeah, you definitely smell the vanilla. I personally am not a fan. Vanilla candles give me migraines. I mean, it doesn't smell bad because I smell the vanilla and I smell something like extra. But I won't be able to keep this candle, so I am going to include this in the giveaway. I already have a candle in that giveaway, but I could give you guys another one. That's fine. And it doesn't smell bad, don't get me wrong. It smells nice. It's just that the smell of vanilla gives me a migraine. So putting this in a box in the giveaway. So I think that is everything. There's a bunch of foozles here, a bunch of stuff. So I don't have the retail value for the scrub and the balm, but I do have the retail value of the rest. So let me add here. The total retail value of the box is $142. So you do well pay off twice, 3 times, maybe even 4 times, because I don't know what the cost was, but more than 3 times what you pay for the box. And you're supporting small businesses, small women-owned businesses, which is really, really nice. Support each other. My favorite items were the necklace for sure and the pot. So I like the pot and I like the necklace. I think they're both really pretty. Those are my favorite. The rest I like the pouch and I like the bag from my farmer's market, but those 2 were my favorite. But now it's your turn. I'd like to know which of these items you like the most. If you are not subscribed to this box, I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested. If you are subscribed, please let me know what you thought of your box. The winter box is sold out, but you could still pre-order the spring box. And I do have an affiliate code I'm going to put down below for your benefits. So I'd like to know what you guys think. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and clicking on the bell to get notified of future videos. I want to thank you for coming by, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.